grandson. Come, Miss Pauline, come show me your fish.
Hiya.
When you guys come to Hellshire, you have to come to this lady right here. It's my third time saying it to you guys. Let's ask for Miss Pauline. She's at the end of the beach. All right, Miss Pauline, let's talk about these expensive fish.
I'm not gonna do like the rest of people. Give you 3 small ones. I can't even show
You can't do me
someone
that
like this
no
for,
more.
For much
Nah.
$1 million.
In the beginning, when I first used to come here, Miss Pauline used to do her thing, but I'm well versed now, so Miss Pauline can't go around me anymore.
I can't go around it
You
anymore.
can't go around me anymore. So notice you said anymore, so that means she used to.
No, I never used to go around.
Never used to.
I never play people.
Jamaica is a place where you have to pay to learn. You have to pay to learn. So if somebody says that you don't really know something and they make a money off for you, don't even take it personal. Just try to learn.
First, you're going to come back and ask the price for the fish before them do it. Because when them do it, after them do it, they will charge a big whole lot of money.
Yeah, and that's the number one. That's the number one thing.
Yeah.
They will quickly make the food so that's it. You're stuck. When you're in Jamaica, you have to ask the price of. Anyway, I say anywhere you travel to, ask the price of the item before you get it, because trust me, they're gonna jack the price up for you because they know you are a tourist. It happens to me all the time.
So much. What's your budget today?
My budget.
Yeah.
All right. How much is for these? How much? Let me see.
4, no?
All right. How much is for these? 4.
No.
Throw in some little one for the kids.
These with the festival and everything, Sean.
How much? Did you just say 5?
And 5 more, 10.
5 and 5 is 10.
10, I get them after 10 with the festival, with the side order. You get
What-
plantain.
Yeah.
You get pear. I get festival. You know you like a whole lot of festival.
Yeah, I
You know
do.
your thing already.
All right. And throw in some juice and we have a deal. Pauline, I've been coming here for 9 years. I'm just asking for some drink.
No, you can.
God above is
My
looking at you. Do
child,
something
no.
good. Pauline, throw in
Show
some
me
drink.
look much look at children out there.
2 babies.
So show me babies one. Show me baby one then.
I don't know.
You want 2 like you want 2 sides like this?
Yeah.
Are them so on there? Them a bone or juk them.
No, we don't want no bone to jut down. But every fish have bone. Probably just the parents just take out the bone.
Yeah,
and-
you need 2 small ones.
Yeah, throw in 2. Pauline, I can't give the people them one fish to eat, Pauline. Work something out for me,
I
Pauline.
told you this so much, let me give it 10.
Pauline,
10 to the festival,
I'm like your
everything.
son,
I know
Pauline.
that I have a big
I'm
spoon
even
like
in
you with
Canada,
My son
and I'm
is-
reaching out to you.
Alright, my child.
Do something for me,
Some
Dad.
of the say they have free farmer ticket I go to Canada. You know, you live back in
I can help you with that, actually.
And then if you get visa,
Yeah,
You can
and
do
they
that?
do your stay and everything. Yeah, that's
that
my
one.
line of work.
I that want. These
For your
these-
son? I didn't know you have a son.
One son, me got my child. One
How old is he? We'll talk
39.
after the camera. That's a good age, actually.
My child, what
That's a
am I
good
gonna
age.
do?
All right, this is what we're gonna do. Jamaica is a place where you hook me up, I hook you up.
Yeah.
So you've been like a mother to me, so I'm gonna deal with that for you. So in return, I'm not even asking you for money. Most people are gonna ask you for money. They're gonna ask you for a lot of money to do that
Well,
for you.
nobody-
I'm gonna say to do it, I'm doing it for you without the money. Right? So all you gotta do is just fix me up here. That's
Which
more
one?
than
We
fair.
want 100, but we
Throw
want
some fish in there. I'm not even gonna say you choose. Just throw some fish in there first. Just make it nice for me.
Alright,
And then I'm gonna
then
collect
two-
his info. You make it
two-
nice.
Then 2 of your children then.
Alright.
So you want more on this again?
Make it nice for me, because remember your son is coming to Canada. I'm gonna need somebody, so when I'm run off of farm work, I'm gonna need somebody to come. So why does he want to come to Canada? Well, then again, America is not doing very good.
In the America already, my child. In the
America right now
in the America
is not
already.
doing very good.
So you
I
not
don't
feel bad come in the America already, my child. So you not feel bad come.
It's up to you. You brought it up
No,
a while ago, and I
no.
said I would help you. So all of a sudden you're saying forget
No,
it.
no.
So when I'm saying okay, I will help you, you help me. All of a sudden you're
Alright.
saying forget it.
My child.
What kind of style is this?
Listen,
Bob?
listen.
All right,
listen
go
this
ahead.
one. Listen this one.
All right,
I put on 6 more on it.
all right. How much is that?
You guess the figure, because you always say your budget is very low.
Yeah, Pauline, I'm just a regular working guy. I don't sell drugs. I don't do crime. I just go to work, and I make sure when I come to Hellshire, you get all of my money. I make sure every time I come to you, so you get all the money. That's the kind of loyalty I have to you. I don't have that kind of loyalty with people. Oh, the lady right there a while ago, the lady telling me, come. I said, no.
That girl there, you couldn't go to her. I would beat you.
She would have killed me.
I would beat you, Machel.
No, I would beat myself if I did that.
Machel, them people have here stale fish, them have box fish.
Oh, God.
Then look at them.
Fresh out of the water, yeah, no. You know your thing. I don't want no backfish. All right, guys. You see how Miss Pauline is honest? You hear what she just said? Most of these places, they're giving you what? Box fish. They're not even real fresh fish from the water. And then they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg. How many years have been coming here, Miss Pauline?
9 years.
9 years.
Well, more than that. 1, 2, 3,
Probably more. I'm 41. I was coming here when I used to be skinny. See this belly?
6.
I used to be skinny when I used to come here.
8. 10. Take a good video of them and put them up. Fresh and nice. Just clean, beautiful.
Right? So when I tell you guys to come here, everybody come here, talk about prendies and this and that. Listen, those people are just a name. You want real, authentic, fresh people that take pride in their cooking and in their work. Come to Miss Pauline. Miss Pauline take pride in her cooking. She take her time, and there's no money thing with this woman. This woman will work. Many times I come and say, Miss Pauline, I only have 6 grand. I have Miss Pauline make the 6 grand work. You can't go to these people and tell them, oh, I only have 6 grand. They're gonna look at you like you're crazy. Get out here. I come to Miss Pauline, I only have a 7 gram. She'll work with it. That's why I've been coming there for years on top of years. I'm not just talking. I'm doing this for free to show you how much appreciation I have for this lady. She's not paying me for this. She's not giving me nothing for this. I'm gonna put this up so you guys, when you come to Jamaica and you're in Hellshire, because most people say they want to go to different beach. Yeah, I go to different beach, but I have to come to Hellshire because I like my fish, right, seafood, and the water. I don't like to come to the beach and bring my food. I don't like that. Part of the experience for me coming to the beach is to enjoy the food. And if you want good proper, I want them to see her festival when they're done. Yeah, her festival is like paper thin. I've been all over Jamaica, all 14 parish. Nobody don't make festival like this one. I don't want to swallow up her head though. But her festival is like paper, thin, soft, nice
and mighty.
Nice. Guys, you have to come here. Miss Pauline, give them your number. 876
281 3329. 281 3329.
This is Miss Pauline, and you know I have respect for her because I always put the miss in front of her name. Miss Pauline, let's talk money. You know, Sam. Talk to me, Miss Pauline. You know, Sam, on a budget. My trip is over, Miss Pauline. You know something like that?
Give me 25.
25,000?
Yeah.
Pauline, I can't do 25,000. You're crazy.
What's it again, my child?
25,000?
Look here, my child.
Pauline, take out some of the fish then. Pauline, I can't do 25,000. 25,000?
Alright, listen.
Remember the video I sent you? What's up? It's Birdie's dad.
Alright, give me.
He was here from day one. This is Miss Pauline.
My child, give me 20 for them then.
Pauline, we don't have 20 grand. That's too much. I remember the video I sent you today with the man I rip off 2 women 28,000.
Me not rip off nobody.
I know you're not ripping me off, but that's too much, Miss Pauline.
20 me I give for that. Man. 20 me I give for that.
I don't have 20 grand, Miss Pauline.
You
see my regular working guy that work 9 to 5, Miss Pauline.
Just so much money of that.
Alright, Miss Pauline. What you can do for 10 grand? Show me what you can do for 10. Stop right there. 10.
No, this can't go with 10 much.
How much are 2, 4, 6 fish?
No, this can't go. No way this can't go.
How much you give me for this?
These are 15.
15?
Yeah. This can't go with 10 much.
That's 4 people, Miss Pauline. One.
This alone, them alone have a 10.
What kind of fish is this? What's the name?
Parrot.
Parrot.
See there? Much fresh fish. 10 15 4. Them are 4 have a 10. See 10 now.
10 grand for 4 fish?
Much I'm saying 2.8 now.
For the
and 3 grand around the fish, 2.8 and 3 grand. I may give as a reason.
Alright, so this right here, once again, I want to make sure you're happy, because when you do business, you should make sure both parties is happy. So 2, 4, 6, alright, 15.
15. Plus me I give festival, planting.
I don't really care about the pear and none of that stuff.
I may give side of for you.
Side of the planting? How much planting?
1 plant may give you. We can't give it to 5 days at one flame.
Little TV. I don't really care about the plotting them stuff.
I may give whole festival. Come in see a man love festival.
Yeah, I like your festival.
Yeah. So give me 15 much.
15? So 2, 4, Alright, how much is this fish? This fish have a different color, Miss Paul.
I see money. Give me 17, my child.
No, 15. I don't have that kind of money. Pauline, let's see how big the car is. How much gas the car could, Colin? Plus you have to pay on the toll. Plus you have the police them. You have to give them their money when them stop you.
My child,
It's Pauline. It's not 17. Easy to be in here.
How much money you got, my child?
15, I can do 15. But what are you gonna do for me as a long time returning customer? Right. The people them 15, see when the people them when them come to you and they're loyal to you, show the people them how you're gonna take care of them.
Come look what I have for me. Look what the festival.
So how much is this? 2.
Give me 15, my child.
Alright, my mother. 15. 2, 4, 2, 4. He's years I've been coming here. You remember me when I used to come on the bus with other people? This is Birdie's dad. So when you guys come here, he's gonna take care of you. This is Mr. Pauline's husband. Yeah, so he's gonna, what are you gonna do? Prepare the fish?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna prepare the fish.
So he's gonna be preparing the fish for us guys. Alright? Talk to Miss Pauline. I come to Miss Pauline for 10 years. I remember I was coming here when Birdie was this small. Tell her to deal with me. True. When Birdie was, I'm surprised now Birdie even have her own kids now. To show you how much years I'm coming here. Years, I'm loyal to Miss Pauline. Loyal, Miss Pauline. Deal with me good, man. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you outside. So when you come, you know exactly where she is. So I usually come, I come from the back. So I come from this direction here. So when you come, make sure you come to Miss Pauline. Here's her shop right here. Yeah. She's right here. Come from the back. This is the entrance right here. You come to her shop. Nobody is better than Miss Pauline. Oysters. Raw oysters?
Yeah.
Oh, you already cooked them?
Yeah, no.
Oh, you just eat them with the pepper and stuff?
Right,
okay. I have a YouTube channel. What's your name? Tell the people them where they can find you. If they want oysters when it comes down.
Hellshire Beach, man.
Give them your number just in case.
This good for your nerves, good for your eyesight, good for your back, good for your sex drive.
Really?
Right this side.
Give them your phone number so they can call you if they don't see you. 876.
Yeah, my number 3876 327. Be a 0 follow that. Be a 0.
0 at the end. So you can call him, get your oysters. Yeah, when you guys come here. Yeah. You know Miss Pauline?
Yeah, man.
Tell him about Miss Pauline.
Yeah, man, the best frying fish on the beach.
And festival.
Bammy.
Yeah. See? Guys, I'm telling you, much respect. I'm telling you. You heard it. Best festival on the beach. Best everything. Miss Pauline. Yeah. Almost a decade I've been coming here. Almost a decade. Here's the preparation right here. So this is a festival. Pauline, you know I come today and broke your ducks, right? Me broke your ducks. So many times I come and broke your ducks, Pauline. Whole heap of time. So Pauline is like a second mom to me, you know? She overcharged me, but I still love her. Yeah.
Don't you do that.
Yeah. This is Jamaica, so everybody knows, so you have to get overcharged. So you say you never do it, right there and then.
Never,
even your grandson is smart, because that even him believe. Miss Pauline. So you guys, make sure you come. And look, your food is cooked on wood fire. Wood. So you know, so the food have a different taste when it's made with wood. Look at this. Whoa. Look how clean the oil is. She's not giving you no use up oil. You see the oil is still clear? Yeah. And it's a professional right here. Look how he's cutting the fish. It's her husband. How many years have you been in this business?
About 40 years.
40 years. Yeah, he's been in this business. You know, it's a professional. It's a professional. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna let them do the food. Say something about your grandma. Who's the best on the beach? Talk about your grandma. Tell them how good her food is.
Our grandma teach me how to fried festival and fried fish.
Oh, you know the fried festival and fried fish?
Yeah, but I don't really know for fried for somebody else.
But for yourself.
Yeah.
But you'll get better eventually.
Yeah.
I like that. He already said you taught him how to fry festival. That's an amazing thing. I wish I knew how to fry festival, but I wasn't so lucky to have that. My uncle is here. Yeah, the kids are here. The babies are here. You guys ready? Coming in? Yeah, let's go. Put your phone down. Tell your husband you're gonna call him back. It's fun time now. Saltwater time. Yeah, guys. So here we are. Probably in chocolate kind of different, bro. I know the baby is ready to go in. Yeah. Yeah, man. No, man. You're gonna lose those. Yeah. Take off the kids' them shoes as well, cause the water is gonna wash the shoes them away. Those are gonna be washed away. Prepare to lose them. All right, guys. So we're going on the water now, so you guys can see. This is a regular spot for me. This is a regular. All this dark stuff is like seaweed. Seaweed is what cleans the water. Seaweed is what cleans the water. A few years ago, the shoreline was down there. You can see the water pressure is rising because look, once upon a time you had to walk way down in there to get into the water, but not anymore. To show you that the global warming thing is real. Miss Pauline even have a little deck. We can come out and Miss Pauline, you redid this. Last time I was here, it didn't look like this. The back. Oh, she redid the back. Yeah, this look way better, man. You can even sit out there and eat your food, you know?
This time we come back about here.
Yeah, I remember the last time I was here, it was in bad condition. Yeah, this looks really good, man. Yeah. Wouldn't be so bad if you can build a little wall going around it.
I may get the cardboard back out the sun.
Yeah, so you can sit and eat. Yeah, man. All right, guys, so I'm gonna jump in the water, and then when everything is done, I'm gonna video everything.